when you're given a reading, a lot of the time when you are given that reading, you will start to cry. And it's not because you as a person are sad in those moments or somebody said something nasty to you. It's because the spirit world are coming through. Their emotions, you're feeling their emotions because they're connecting with their loved one. They've tried for so long. And now you're in that position. They're coming through you and you're going to feel it whether you're ready or not, baby. That's the way that this works. If you did enjoy this video, why don't you consider smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel and putting the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any future content. Also, as you can see here, look at the playlists on the platform. We have a playlist that is dedicated to psychic medium development. We also have another one that is dedicated for you short lovers out there who just love that short form content. And we also have the paranormal playlist. If you did enjoy this video, check out the videos pinned at the top left and right, and I'll see you in the next one.